everybody, it's Mrs. Dunn again, and I want to talk about equivalent statements today. I hope you watch both of these screencasts. So, a pretty complex topic. We have a couple things that we need to talk about in here. So I made two screencasts so they're not very long. So this is part one of our screencasts. So what we're going to do in the first screencast is talk about determining if two statements are equivalent. And we're going to determine that by using a truth table. The other objectives will be covered in the next screencast. So what does it mean to be equivalent? Two statements are equivalent if both statements have exactly the same truth values in the answer columns of the truth table. So the way this is symbolized is with this double-sided arrow. So let's look at some examples. So remember, two statements are equivalent if they have the same truth values. So determine if these two statements are equivalent to each other. The negation of not P and Q and P or not Q. To determine if these are equivalent, we need to look at their truth tables. So we're going to make a truth table for both of them. So the truth table for the negation of not P and Q is written over here. The answer column is the negation column. So first do what's in parentheses, not P and Q, then negate the and column. So we get true, true, false, true. On the right side, we have the P or not Q statement. The answer column is here under the or. So see how they have the exact same values, true, true, false, true, 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 false, true? Since those truth tables are exactly the same, let me clarify, not the truth tables, but the answers in the truth tables, the answer columns. So since the answer columns are identical, the statements are equivalent. Okay, let's look at another example. How about the negation of P and Q and not P and not Q? The answer columns are going to be the negation for the first statement and the and part of the second statement. So look at those answer columns. For not P and Q, we get false, true, true, true. And for the and statement on the right, we get false, 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 true. These answer columns are not identical. Therefore, they are not equivalent statements. Good luck!